this is Arty, Crafty, Josie, and today I'm going to be making a craft out of my rubbish. You will need rubbish, of course, paint, so it doesn't matter what kind, something to mix the paints in, paint brushes, a Sharpie. So let's do this. So first I've got to take this apart because I'm not using the entire thing. So we'll start off by mixing the paints for the tongue. Hopefully this will make a good colour for the tongue. Ooh, yes, that's a good colour. That's a good tongue colour. Did I not put enough? I don't think I put enough white. I think I'm just going to plan it out. Yes, I got it. It's not a brilliant tongue, but it's tonguey enough to me. Now I'm going to do the eyeballs. That's a nice bright green, that is. You know, I've got a very thin paintbrush. So yeah, that's what I think I'll do. I'll paint the entirety, and when it's dry, I'll paint over the green with some black for the pupil. So now I'm going to do the skin, because whenever you're painting you need to do the background before you do all the details. So I'm going to take a little bit of yellow, not too much, a little bit of the colour we used for the tongue, and some white. You could make the skin yellow, blue, green, or whatever, but I don't want mine to be yellow like Bart Simpson, or The Simpsons, actually. So I think I might want a bit more yellow than that. It is dry. Now it's time to do coat number 2. Now I'm doing the pupils. They're very messy pupils, but then again, this is made of garbage. So I'm going to do some really cool orange hair. I'm going to add 1 or 2 red streaks into my hair. I need to make sure this works. I have these 3D paint from when I made custom hats. Now be sure to check that video out after you watch this one. Now the neon red looked a bit lonely on its own, so let's add some neon blue for a friend. The boy is finished. I'm also doing a dog. I've done a couple coats of brown. Now I'm doing the fur by taking some brown paint and dabbing it on for kind of texture. You don't have to make these, you can make whatever your imagination tells you to. And remember, don't throw away your rubbish if you can make art with it. Now let's do the finishing touches on the dog. First up, the eyes. The boy and his dog are finished. I think they look really good. I also made some owls, but that will be in another video. So like and subscribe for more videos, and bye!